Are you ready? Onpassive is fast approaching its first outer orbit before continuing on to where no unicorn has ever gone before. Are you ready? The sonic boom we heard in Dubai left us reeling. Before that day in March, were we ready? Or were we just hopeful? We have heard. We've discussed. We have been provided clarity and allowed to sample something truly different. And still, we don't know the length, the breadth, or the depth of Onpassive. That being the case, the question "Are you ready?" should be a call to action. Like any life-changing event, preparation is the wise course. Onpassive is preparing. Are you? Are your preparations practical? Have you organized by priority, the things that must be done to secure the future for you and your loved ones? For many of us, I dare to say most of us, we are about to venture into new frontiers. Are you preparing for your new reality? Financial freedom does not mean your wishes will automatically appear. It takes work. You may have to educate yourself in areas that you didn't need to know before. Maybe you'll need to suit up with professionals to put a sustainable plan together. Fortunately, we have a role model, our CEO. Are you watching and learning from the model he is creating? It's scalable, you know. We can learn from him. We can scale it down to fit our needs at any given point in time. Think about it. Are you ready? You can be. Written by JWoo.